Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the magical math mornings on this Monday. Let's learn many new tricks for the coming week. And let's start with a bang. For this Monday, we have learned the multiplication tricks in the last 5 to 6 sessions. And we know how to multiply very fast with 4, 5, and divide also, and multiply with 11 and combinations of 25, all the numbers. And also, we had seen we had mastered. I suppose that you have all practiced and mastered the multiplication tables up to 100. Now, I think many of you are able to tell the tables up to 100 like this. Correct? We'll extend the same trick in a little different variation to extend the multiplication range for us. Today, we are going to learn how to multiply any given number with numbers like 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, or 15, 25, 35, like this. We are going to extend this one, and this is going to help us become very quick in these multiplications. Okay, let's see. Let's say we want to take one simple multiplication. We want to do 18 into 3.5. Just a second. Hope you are able to see the board. Yes. 18. One second. I think there's some small listening. Okay. Into 3.5. Into 3.5. The idea is converting this one into a whole number just by doubling. What is the double of 3.5? It is 7. Correct? Either it can be given as 3.5 or it can be written as 3 and a half. 3 and a half double is 7. Correct? This we are very familiar with doubling concept already. So when we double this to retain the equality of the multiplication, this we are converting into 7. This we are going to convert into half of that. Half of 18 is how much? 9. 9 sevens are 63 is the answer. Looks very familiar, correct? Multiplication by altering with 4, 5, 25. This concept. The same methodology we had used. Let's take you want to multiply 60 into 2.5. What I do? I will double this, it will become 5. I will half this will become 30. 30 into 5 is how much? 150. 60 into 2.5 is 150. Is it simple? Let's go for a little bigger number. I want to multiply 40 to 3.5. Let's take. What I'll do? Half of this I will take. Double of this I'll take. 22 sevens are 154. Is it simple? Yes. Very, very simple. So the concept is very simple. Just we will convert the decimal part into a whole number just by doubling it. This will help us to multiply any number ending with 0.5 or half. Half means also it is just 0.5. Correct? Let's take little bigger number. Yes, 1.5 also will take one. Okay. I think there's some issue with the board today. Please bear with me. Second. Yeah. Let's take with 1.5. 64 into 1.5 we'll take. What is 1.5 doubled? It is 3. 64 half is 32. 32 threes are 96. Isn't it? We can use with 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, 4.5, 5.5. Yes, any number. Let's take a little bigger number. 7.5 into 22. Either way around we can do. Double of 7.5 is 15. 22 half is 11. 15 11s are. Multiplication with 11 we already know. Directly 165. We can easily try them by mind itself, correct? Very simple. Um, Let me take little bigger number. 106 into 5.5. Let's take. Let's try to do this one in mind. 5.5 double is 11. 106 half is 53. 53 into 11, 583. Something. So I think you people got the trick now. Let us extend the same thing to numbers may not be containing 0.5. But any number ending with 5, we can use this. For example, 60 into 75, let's take. What I do? 75, I double. Whatever number ending with 5, I double it. The other number, I will just bring it to half, 30. This is nothing but 15 threes are 45. So the answer is 4,500. Only thing is, we have to ensure when we want to double this, the other number should be an even number, or else this will become a fraction. This is applicable to all the numbers ending with 5 when we are multiplying that one with a even number. Shall I try some numbers? Okay, let me give you some. Be ready with your chat option, and you people should put the answer in the chat box. Let's take 120 into 6.5. Try this. 6.5. For that, mastering of tables up to 100 is very, very important and very, very useful. Yes, very simple. 13 6 are 78. We get 78, but 10 you should not forget. This 0 you are going to put it here. 780 is the answer. Correct? Yes. Some of you missed this 0. Whenever we are taking a bigger number, always be careful while putting 0 in the end. Let's take 18 into 9.5. Let's do this. 18 into 9.5. Nineteen table, we should be very clear. We should not make the mistake of 181. It is 171. 9.5 double is 19. 19 nines are 171. Yes. Correct. In a hurry, it happens, but with practice, you'll become very good. Let's do a little bigger number. Let's take 14 into 75. We'll use the same trick for half and 0.5 directly to take a multiplication with 75. 14 into 75. Just no, that's not correct. 75 doubled is 15, that is 150. So you have to multiply 15 sevens are 105. Yes, and then don't forget to put 0 in front of this. Correct? 1050. Yes, you all got that one. Let's take 800 into 8.5. Be careful with the zeros and put the answer. 800 into 8.5. into 8.5. Doubling concept. Some of you in a hurry, I think it's a typing mistake, I believe. 8.5, when you double, it will become 17. Yes, it is correct. And this will become 400. So only I will do 17 fours are. 17 fours are 68. But I will not forget to take these two zeros together. Correct? Perfect. It is 76,800. Yes. Let's take 250 into 2.4. See how we are able to extend this one. 250 into 2.4. Which one we are going to double? This. When we double 250, it will become 500. Then it is very easy, correct? And half of 2.4 is 1.2. 500 into 1.2. It's very easy. 12 5s are correct. Just putting the zeros, be careful and type the answer. That's where some of you are still finding a little bit struggle. Just 500 into 1.2 when we do, it will definitely come little more than 500. Yes, it is 600 because 12 5 is 60, but you are going to take 1 0 also. Correct? See, it will become 500 into 1.2, which is nothing but 50 into 12. 12 5 is 60 and 1 0 we are going to take it. Okay, let's take this 0.35 into 120. Just a slight variation of the above numbers. 0.35 into 120. I'm going to double only once. 0.35 into 120. It is as if we are multiplying 3.5 into 12. Correct? Yes, it is 7 6 are 42. Very good. Perfect. All of you had given the correct answer. Let's take this. Let me take 1.6 into 45. 1.6 times 45. These numbers we should be able to tell immediately. Correct, no? Yes. 1.6 half is 0.8. It is as if multiplying 16 with 4.5. Correct. 9 8s are 72. Yes, very good. So you all got familiar with the concept. Let me quickly rewind what we have learned. Whenever we are multiplying any number, for example, we want to multiply 450 into 2.5. What we do? We just double this. It will become 5. We just half this. It is 225. And multiplying with 5, we know this. Correct? No, multiplying with the 5, the shortcut we know. It is, try this, 450 into 2.5. Correct. I'm combining all the previous tricks, multiplying with 11 we did and multiplying this. Yes, it is 122.5. Sorry, 1225. Correct? Very nice. And if you want to take 4.2 into 65, let's do this. 4.2 into 65, little difficult one. We'll take, no, it's 1225 is correct because 225 into 5, 205 are 1000. It will come slightly above 1000. Correct? No, definitely 1225 is the correct one. We should know how to cross check also. 4.2 into 65. I rewrite this as 42 into 6.5. Correct? And then try to do this one. Multiplication. When we do 21 into 13 in mind. So 21 into 13, we can extend the methodology of multiplication tables what we did up to 100. Correct? 21 tens are 210, 21 threes are 63. That's it. 273 is the answer. Perfect. Whenever we are having a number ending with 0.5 or half, that means we can take 6 and half, 8 and half, 9 and half, 13 and half. We can definitely take that one. No, it's only 273. By putting 0, 65 into 4, how much it may come? It comes around 260. So approximately it will be little more than 270. So while putting 0 and point, you can just cross check like that and you can put the decimals. Okay, decimals are zeros, be careful. We can use the numbers with ending with 0.5 or half. Fractions, even if they had given also, we can be able to do it very easily, correct? And also we can extend the numbers with any numbers ending with 5. We had seen multiplying 25, 75, 65 like this. Just double this. 25 double is 50, 75 double is 150, 65 double is 130. That means we are multiplying with only 13, 15 or 6 or 5. Correct? And also we can multiply the same numbers ending with 0.25 like this also. What we do? 0.25 if we take, or 0.45, 0.95. This also we can do the same thing. Whenever you want to multiply something like 0.95 into some 490, what we do? Little bigger number, let us try. It may take little more by 1 second, but still we will be able to do. How it comes? 49 into 9.5. It will come little difficult. So what we do? 95 into 50. That concept we can use this. Yes. And we are able to do this, correct? No? Last question, let's try this. And take this one. This is one thing I said, whenever we are having an odd number, it's going to take little more time. For that we have different tricks. For the time being, we are going to restrict ourselves with, suppose if it is 480, I will take 48, then it will become very easy, correct? No, 24 into 19, then it will become very easy. Okay, we are going to restrict all the numbers ending with even numbers. Hope you all enjoyed this technique. And one request from all of you before we conclude today's session. Already we have more than 300 subscribers for this, and this all had happened because of all of you. And you attending consistently is giving me more and more energy. Nowadays, more people are attending consistently in the morning live itself, but many people are opting out to watch in the video. Both are acceptable, but try to help your friends by reaching out to them and making them to join this, so that it will give us more energy, and we want to make bring the maja of maths to more and more people in this country. Thank you very much, all of you. Tomorrow morning, sharp at 7, we'll be coming with one more good trick. Till then, bye bye and take care.